today's topic is rounding of the figure. As many of you are already able to do it, but today we will recall it because we have to use this topic for further calculation. So let's see. First point, if the rightmost digit to be removed is more than 5, then the preceding number is increased by 1. Okay, so if you have 1.386 and you want to round off this number to two decimal places, then what will you do? You remove the last digit. Since the last digit is more than 5, so 8 will increase by 1, so it will converted into 1.39. Okay, second point, if the rightmost digit to be removed is less than 5, then what will happen? Then the preceding number is not changed. For example, 4.334, you want to remove this number 4. So since 4 is less than 5, then it will be converted into 4.33. It will not increase by 1 because 4 is less than 5. Third and last point is, if the rightmost digit to be removed is equal to 5, then the preceding number is not changed. Then the preceding number is not changed. But when the preceding number is not changed, when if it is an even number. Okay, like this 6.25 and you want to remove 5, so preceding number will not change because it is a even number. And if the preceding number is odd number, like in this example 6.35, and you want to remove this 5, then you have to increase this number by 1, then it will convert it into 6.4. Okay, so if the rightmost digit to be removed is equal to 5, then the preceding number is not changed when if the number is when if it is an even number, but it is increased by 1 if it is an odd number. Okay, now calculation involving significant figures, addition and subtraction. So what will happen in addition and subtraction? In addition and subtraction, the final result should be reported up to the same number of decimal places. Focus this word, decimal places, as present in the quantity. Which quantity? With the minimum number of decimal places. Okay, so here we have to pay attention to our decimal places, and which on which quantity we will pay attention, the quantity with the minimum decimal place. For example, you are going to add 2.6 with 3.44, then simply you will have 6.04. So your result is 6.04, but this is not the final result, because according to rule, what we should do, we should round this figure with this round of this figure up to the same number of decimal places present in the quantity with the minimum decimal point. It has one decimal point and it has two decimal places, so our result should have one decimal place, so result will be 6.4. Similarly, 49.8, 16.74 and 20.196, if you will add these number, you will get 86.736. But according to rule, it has one decimal place, it has two decimal place, and it has three decimal place. So we have to report our answer up to the same number of decimal place present in the quantity with the minimum number of decimal place. So it has the minimum number of decimal place, so we have to round it off our answer to one decimal place. So our final result will be 86.7 only. Okay, we will remove 3 and 6. Same for subtraction. If you are going to subtract 22.12 from 35.648, then you will have 13.528, but this is not the final result because we know the rule, and according to rule, it has two decimal places, it has three decimal places, so our answer should have two decimal places because it has the minimum number of decimal place. So our answer will be 13.53. Similarly, 4.8 minus 0.0002 you will have 4.7998, but your answer, this is not your final answer. Your final answer will be 4.8. Why 4.8? Because you have to remove these three numbers, because it has the minimum decimal place, which is 1. Same for multiplication and division. In multiplication and division, the final result should be reported up to the same number of significant figure. Pay attention towards this word, significant figure. What was there in addition and subtraction? Decimal places. And in multiplication and division, we will pay attention towards significant figure. Which significant figure? As are present in the term with the least number of significant figure. Means, for example, 46.512, this number has 5 significant figure, multiplied by 1.67, it has 3 significant figures. Your answer will be 77.67504. But according to rule, our answer should be reported up to the same number of significant figure as are presented in the term with the least number of significant figure. So we have to round it off our answer to the 3 significant figures. So we will ignore these 4 digits. 77.6, sorry, 7, since 7 is more than 5, so there will be increase in 6 by 1, so your answer will be 77.7. Similarly, 5.4221 multiplied by 15.6, your answer will be this, but this is not your final answer. Your final answer will be 84.6. Why 84.6? Because it has 3 significant figure, it has 5 significant figure, and you have to round it off this to 3 significant figure, because it has the least significant figure. Similarly, when you divide this digit by this, you will get this, but this is not your final answer. Your final answer will be 5.97, because it has least significant figure, 3 significant figure, and here significant figures are 6. When you divide by, this number by this, you will get this, but your final answer will be 3.472. We will ignore these 4 digits. Why these 4 digits? You know very well now.